What happens if you delete system32 while installing Windows? Now, some of you are probably wondering, what the f is system32? System32 is a folder containing loads of files which are very important to run Windows. If deleted, Windows will stop working properly. Yeah, it's kind of buggered. Trying to open anything. Let's try to open a game. Yeah. You won't be able to open programs, and when you reboot the computer, it will boot straight up to the startup repair, where it will fail to repair your computer. Yeah. Startup repair cannot repair this computer. Now, you're probably wondering, how do I delete system32 while installing Windows? What I'm going to do is go onto Windows 7, delete system32 while going onto the Windows 10 installer and click install after I've deleted it all. Now, if you want to follow along with what I'm doing, please do it in a virtual machine. If you do it on a real computer, I will not take responsibility for you losing all of your data, because you will. You'll bugger up your computer. So the first thing you're going to want to do is go to command prompt and make sure to run it as administrator. Now that you're in command prompt, type in this command and then type in this command. I will also leave them in the description. Right, now that you've done that, you can close out of command prompt now. Now what you're going to want to do is go to your computer or this PC, and then go to your local disk, Windows, and scroll down to system32. So now that you're at system32, right click on the folder, click properties, click security, edit. Now press add, then press advanced, now press find now, press administrators, now press OK, and then press allow all, like so it allows everyone, all of them, and now press apply. Yes, it might deny the access, but just ignore it. And now you can close that. Now what you're going to want to do is go to advanced, effective permissions, press select, advanced, find now, administrators, OK. Click OK, and it will give full control. And now you can just delete system32. Now keep in mind it won't delete absolutely everything, because Windows is obviously using some of these. So yeah, it's not going to work, but it will delete everything that, yeah, make it not work basically. So let's get the Windows 10 installer ready. First thing we need to do is insert the disk. Okay, so now we are ready to install Windows 10. Let's start deleting system32. So we're going to start by doing Control A and Shift backspace, or Shift delete. This probably will fail, probably won't delete much, but we'll see. We'll do the other method, which is this. Not that. This. Empty out that. Whoops. Never mind, command prompt doesn't work anymore. What else doesn't work? We still have paint. Magnifier doesn't work. With notes. Explorer doesn't work. Calculator still works. Windows Media Center doesn't. Okay, so now it isn't really letting me delete anything else, because that, but I think the damage has been done, because certain things won't open. And let's see, will it let me run this now? Yeah. I think it's a bit buggered, so when I restart it will not work. But let's install Windows 10. Metadata for some notes have been corrupt. Sticky notes has been restored them to default. Sticky notes has failed. What? Where's the Windows 10 installer? Okay. Shall we try rebooting? Let's see what happens. Clearly nothing because it won't restart. We'll try that again. Okay, I think we're gonna have to force reboot this. We will not be pressing any key. Loading files. Windows 10. Did that actually work? It might have. Let's see what happens. So you can install Windows 10 while deleting system32. Interesting. Or can you? Oh, it's rebooted. What's going to happen? Is it going to boot loop? It's trying to do a start repair. Undoing changes made to your computer. Oh no. It's going to boot back up to Windows 7, isn't it? Windows error. Well, that's what. Start Windows normally and it goes to Windows 10. Wait, is it? What's it going to do? I think the Windows 10, since it hasn't installed like all of the Windows 7 system32 folders, since the boot is buggered on the Windows 7, it might have buggered that. Interesting though. We'll see what happens with this. I think we should try booting from the CD and see what happens. To see if we can recover it from that, from the Windows 10 start repair thing. Let's try that. It looks as though you started an upgrade and boosted installation. Yeah. Click yes if you want. Instead click. I don't want to perform clean installation. Got Windows 7. Let's try go back to Windows 7. Nope. Let's try exiting and continue to Windows 7. It's not going to work, is it? Let's try doing that thing. Let's see if we can finish the installation from that Windows 10 installer. Because I didn't actually know you could do that. You might be able to. We'll see. Okay. Yeah, I think it's kind of buggered. So, I guess the answer to the question is no. You can't install Windows while deleting system32. That's kind of sad, honestly. I thought that would actually work. Oh well. Well, if you enjoyed this video, leave a like. If you have any suggestions, if you want on what you want to see me do, if you have any other ideas, please leave a comment. And if you enjoyed the video, please also subscribe. And I will see you in the next video.